Turbotic AI is the latest AI software making waves, and today we'll uncover 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. If you're considering using Turbotic AI, this review will help you get the best possible insight into whether it's the right tool for you. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly how to maximize its potential. Now, before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try Turbotic AI for completely free by clicking the first link below. First things first, let's talk about our tool, what Turbotic AI actually does. It's an advanced software designed to help you automate your marketing, boost productivity, and get more done with AI-driven efficiency. This tool integrates with your existing platforms and enhances your workflows, taking over repetitive tasks and allowing you to focus on the more important parts of your business. If you're into digital marketing, business growth, or even automating basic business processes, this could be the AI software you've been waiting for. The second thing you need to know is its user-friendly interface. Unlike some AI tools that have a steep learning curve, Turbotic AI is intuitive. It's designed for people who want to hit the ground running. The setup is simple, and once you get inside, everything is easy to navigate. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, you won't feel overwhelmed. Next up is the advanced automation features. Turbotic AI doesn't just automate simple tasks, it takes care of your entire sales and marketing funnel. You can automate your social media, email marketing, and customer communication in a way that's personalized, saving you hours a day. That level of automation makes it a strong contender in the AI market, especially for busy entrepreneurs or business owners looking to scale quickly. Another big highlight is its integration capabilities. Whether you use Shopify, Google Analytics, or Facebook ads, Turbotic AI plays nice with just about every major platform. That means you won't need to overhaul your entire tech stack to get started. It also syncs effortlessly with your CRM, so all your customer interactions are logged and tracked for seamless marketing campaigns. The fifth thing to note is the AI-driven insights you get with Turbotic AI. The software isn't just about automation, it's about intelligent decision-making. Turbotic AI provides you with real-time data and insights that can help you refine your marketing strategy. You'll get clear analytics on how your campaigns are performing, what's working, and what isn't, all thanks to the AI's powerful data processing abilities. One of the standout features of Turbotic AI is its turn customizability. The software allows you to tailor its features to your specific needs. If you're in a niche market or have unique requirements, you can easily tweak the tool to fit your business goals. Whether you need specific workflows, personalized templates, or advanced targeting, Turbotic AI gives you the flexibility to make it your own. Now, let's talk pricing. For all its features, Turbotic AI offers great value. While many AI tools charge an arm and a leg for similar features, Turbotic keeps it affordable, especially if you opt for the free trial. It's one of the few AI tools that offer both a free trial and premium options for businesses looking for even more advanced features. Lastly, I want to address the support and community around Turbotic AI. They have a dedicated support team that's easy to reach, and the community is growing fast. You'll find plenty of tutorials, webinars, and forums to help you get the most out of the software. This type of support is crucial, especially when you're getting into a new tool. In summary, Turbotic AI is a powerful tool that can automate your marketing, streamline workflows, and give you actionable insights, all at an affordable price. It's easy to use, integrates well with existing tools, and is fully customizable for your business needs. If you're someone looking to automate your business processes with AI, Turbotic could be exactly what you need. If you want to give it a try, I've included the link to get started for free in the description below. After testing thousands of AI software tools, I've handpicked the best ones for you to explore, so don't miss that. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Have you used Turbotic AI, or are you excited to try it out? I'd love to hear about your experiences.